Kling 0.1 does drop and it is crazy. You can now swap environments, change camera angles, restyle characters, color grade scenes, and so much more, all with one model. Kling 0.1 is literally changing how we do VFX. And the best part is Higgsfield just added the Kling 0.1 into their models, so you can now access all these features directly on Higgsfield. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you 4 use cases on how to use the Kling 0.1 to level up your edits, visuals, and VFX. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. So welcome back to today's video. So first of all, you go over to higgsfield.ai/Kling 0.1. The link to those AIs in the description and also in the pinned comment. And you can see a Kling 0.1 first unified multi-video model. And you can see you can add in your video elements. You can upload up to 7 images. You can add in a start to end frame and so much more you can do with this. So these are some use cases here. You can relight and change the atmosphere. You can reframe composition. You can see this over here, and you can also see this one, smart cleanup. You can use this like a generative fill to edit or remove unwanted objects in your backgrounds, and also change objects. You can also use this to recolor and style, and also edit frame. So in today's video, I'm going to be demonstrating 4 use cases in today's video. So the first use case is removal of objects. So first of all, I'm going to go over to start now. I'm going to click on start now. So you can remove images, you can remove people, you can remove trees and whatever you want to remove from your video. So I'm going to upload my video. So let me upload my video. So this is a video of a beach and someone is running on the beach. So this is my prompt to remove all the people from the scene. So actually just one person in the scene. I'm just going to click on generate video. So our video is done generating, and you can see that it removed the scene running. So let me download it. So this was the before, and this is the after, and you can see it got rid of the shadows also. So that moves us to the second use case, which is character restyling. So I asked Nano Banana to generate a reference image for me, so I'm going to be using this as the reference. I'm going to upload our video. You can set your duration to 10 seconds and your aspect ratio. I'm going to leave my aspect ratio to 16:9, and I'm going to click on generate video. So as the video is generating, as you can see on this comparison chart, Higgsfield is one of the cheapest platforms to access all the AI models. You can see the ranking. Higgsfield has the cheapest and the most affordable rates to AI models, and the amazing part is Higgsfield is offering unlimited Kling 0.1 generation for everyone on the Ultimate Plus plan before December 7. That is say for how powerful this tool is. And you can access a lot of amazing models inside of Higgsfield. So don't miss out on this. Link to the subscription is in the description, so make sure not to miss out on this. So let's check our video if it's done generating. So you can see our video is done generating, and you can see the results we got. So this is our before here, and this is our after. So this is our before. So this is our before, and this is our after. So you can see it's added some little bit of glow on the cheek. So you can see that it is still the same face, the same expression, but just the clothes that was swapped. So the next use case is environment change. You can change your environment. You can change it to a snowy environment. You can change it to a kind of forest scene, and a lot you can do with this. Let's upload a reference video. So this is my reference video from Pixabay, and I'm going to upload my reference image. For the reference image, I use Nano Banana to change the scene to a snowy environment for the reference image. So I have uploaded my reference image. Then I'm going to paste in my prompts, change the entire environment to a snowy winter season. So I'm going to click on generate. Then I'm still going to set our aspect ratio to 9:16. It is a portrait video. Then I'm going to click on generate. Our video is done generating. So this is the video. So let's go ahead and download it. Before. This is for the before, and this is the after. So you can see the result we got. So that leads us to the last use case for this video. So the last use case of this video is color grading. So you can use this to color grade your video, or you can use it to get idea on the right color or the right loads that's going to fit your video. So for this, I'm going to be using this video I generated. So I'm going to be using this video. I'm going to be color grading it into a horror kind of scene. So let's upload our video. So I screenshotted the part of the scene, and I asked Nano Banana to apply a dark cinematic horror color grading to the image. So we're going to be using this for our reference image. So this is our video. Then I'm going to upload our reference image. So I'm going to paste in this prompt here. Apply a constant dark cinematic color grading, horror color grading across the full video, shift the palette, and so on. So we're still going to set our resolution to 9:16 and click generate. So our video is done generating, and you can see the video via. So you can use this as a creator to know the best lots, or to know the best color grading that fits your video. So this is the before. This is the before. And this is the after. So the use cases are endless. You can add in elements to your videos, you can change your camera angles, and a lot of amazing things you can do with the Kling O1. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and the link to the Kling O1 is in the pinned comments and also in the description. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you're enjoying this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up. If you are new to this YouTube channel, consider subscribing to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell not to miss amazing content like this. So I'm Joseph from Jose Concept. See you in my next video. Thank you.